Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hafsa, your SST teacher. Today we will discuss the next topic of unit number 5, which is Old and Modern Oxford. Learning objective of this lesson is learn about the Old and Modern Oxford. Dear students, Oxford is an old and very beautiful city. Many buildings are hundreds of years old. This is University of Oxford. Students come here to study from all over the world. It is 500 years old. Have you seen the famous movie Harry Potter? That film is made here. Students, in some of the colleges, there are tall windows made of colored glass. This one is 700 years old. Students, can you see a beautiful combination of modern and old Oxford in this picture? As we know, Oxford is an old city, but parts of it are modern. This church, as you can see in this picture, this church is 900 years old. The house is 400 years old. The restaurant and shops below the house are only 10 years old. This is a modern supermarket. People drive there and buy everything they need all in one shop. Students, you need to search on internet and find 5 interesting things about Oxford City. In case of any query, you can contact me on the given email address. See you in the next lecture. Take care.